How to remove cover photo from Facebook or how to delete your cover picture on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Vipin Basnet and today I'll guide you on how you can remove cover photo from Facebook. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. If you want to delete or remove your cover picture from Facebook, you want to simply open up your Facebook and then head into your profile. Once on your profile, you can simply tap on your cover picture and then you can see view profile cover option. You can tap on it and you'll be able to open up your profile cover, right? Now this is my profile picture here. In order to delete it or in order to remove it, you can simply tap on three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then simply tap on delete photo option. It'll ask you for confirmation. Tap on delete and your cover photo will be removed and there will be no cover photo on your profile. So this way you can remove cover photo from Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe. However, if you don't wish to delete the picture from your Facebook album just from the cover photo, then what you can do is you can upload a new cover picture and then immediately delete that picture, the new picture that you uploaded. And if you do so, your previous cover picture will be there on your album. However, there will be no cover photo on your Facebook profile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.